Today we're going to be looking at an export connector that Tromba Technologies built to support a database export. This export connector exports a document with index information into your database where it can be reported on or retrieved as necessary. Tromba Technologies has decades of experience customizing export connectors that are all compliant with Kofax Express, Kofax Capture, and Kofax Total Agility. In the Login tab, you'll be able to choose what kind of database you want to point to: Access, ODBC, or SQL Server. You'll be able to configure the database you're pointing to and how you're going to log in, which is all fairly standard when connecting to a database. The Mapping tab allows the user to configure which table you will be mapping your data to. Now in this case, we can map to multiple tables. We will map our general invoice data to this table, but we're going to map our line item data to another table. Some database export connectors do not allow you to do this. However, Tromba Technologies allows our customers to do so. In the Document Link tab, you can configure a file directory that you can send an image file to. You can also configure how the file name will appear by using these radio buttons. You can even configure duplicate handling, whether you want to overwrite it, rename it, or throw an error. However, in this demonstration, we're going to store our image as a blob file in the database. I want to highlight this because a lot of other export connectors do not allow you to do this, but Tromba Technologies can accommodate this requirement. The Document Format tab allows you to choose the format of the image that is exported, if you are choosing the file directory option. You can choose PDF or TIFF. In the General tab, you can indicate if a partial export needs to be supported. So if there are multiple documents in a job, and one document doesn't export, what is the requirement for the rest of the documents? This functionality is not native to Kofax Total Agility. However, it is included in all of our export connectors. By building our own custom export connectors, Tromba Technologies can customize, build, or support any connectors that meet our customers' requirements. Thank you for watching.